everyone, and welcome back to Feature Highlights on PeepSo TV channel. I'm your host Sinisha, and for today's episode I prepared something completely different for you. In previous episodes I show you most of the new features in PeepSo 5, but today I want to show you how to create a website like this. This is our demo website. So I want to show you how to create a website like this one over here and turn the basic WordPress installation that you got when you first time installed WordPress into this. And it will take us only a couple of minutes. Naturally, you won't see all of this content on your website because that's all user-generated content, but the placeholders will be there. So my friends, my photos, community media, community photos, and all of the widgets will be there ready to accept the content made by your users. So, shall we begin? All right, let's start. First of all, enter your WordPress admin and dismiss all of the information about WordPress sets, and then go to Settings, Permalinks. Change your permalinks to post name and save changes. Now go to Pages, add new, make it a blog title and publish. That's all there is to it. This page will be important later on in the setup. For now, just leave it as is. Go to Plugins, add new, and look for PeepSo, and then install it. Once the plugin is downloaded and installed, simply activate the plugin and PeepSo is now available on your website. Okay, activate it. There it is. Welcome to PeepSo 5.000. Read this welcome message where you can find how to contact us. You can find our documentation and other YouTube tutorials or join our community. Once you're ready, dismiss this notice. Let's dismiss this too. And go to PeepSo configuration. You will see this use a PeepSo bundle license. Enable it and enter your license key over here. If you don't know what your license key is, I will leave the link in the description below, which will take you directly to the page with your license. Now that your license is in place, go to PeepSo, then Installer. Dismiss this notice if you want. Wait for your license to be checked. On your website, you will also see your license over here. And click on Show Bulk Actions. Then select Gecko Theme, Chat, Friends, Audio, Video, Groups, Photos, and User Limits. Click on Install and wait for the installer to download and install all of these plugins and theme that we have selected. Once everything is downloaded and installed, you will see that all of the plugins and theme is inactive. Make sure they are selected. You will know by this green background, and simply click on Activate. Wait for everything to be activated, and now you'll see the message that 6 plugins and 1 theme is activated. Go to PeepSo configuration, enable tab titles, and you will see that Audio, Video, Chat, Friends, Groups, Photos, and User Limits plugins are installed. And this is the place where you can set up all of your options for all of these different plugins. But that will be the subject for the next video. Right now, we only want to install PeepSo and turn our website into the community. So let's check it. It starts to shape up, right? It's not completely similar to our demo, but it's getting there. Okay, we are on the right track. First of all, let's remove this WordPress toolbar. It's a single most annoying thing that bothers me every time I start a new website. So why will you want to show the user this toolbar to the user? In order to hide it, let's go to configuration, then PeepSo configuration, then appearance, scroll down a little bit until you find the WordPress toolbar and set enabled to never, or if you want to show only for administrators, you have that option too. I'll keep it never. Save the settings, and now when I refresh the page, this ugly toolbar is gone. If we now compare this website with our demo, you will see that there is a menu item on top, notifications over here, and navigation on the left side. So let's take care of navigation first. Come back to our website, go to Gecko, Gecko Customizer, and here you must duplicate the theme of the website because you cannot change the default theme. So we're going to change to the Gecko Light copy and publish this copy. Okay. Now, if you're interested how this Gecko themes work, we have a separate video explaining exactly this, and I will link that video in the description below. But for now, go to Theme, find the side nav and enable Show Side Nav and publish it. Now refresh the page, and here is our side nav. We also need a menu items over here in the header, so let's do just that. Go back to the WordPress dashboard, then go to Appearance, Menus, and create a new menu. Let's call it Main Menu, and publish it in the header as a header menu. Okay, now add groups, members, and recent activity, and why not the blog page we created previously. Okay, so I want to shuffle it a little bit, save the settings, and I'm actually going to rename that menu to community, not community, but community. Save the menu. Let's check our website. Here it is. Now our menu is showing up. Remember how I told you to create a blog page? This is why it is important to have it. Because if you look at my website URL right now, you see I'm not really on a home page. I'm on an activity page. If I remove this activity part over here, I will see my latest blogs as a home page. So in order to fix that, go to WordPress dashboard, then settings and reading. I know it does not make sense, but it's in reading submenu for whatever reason. And then change your homepage display a static page, and this is homepage is going to be my recent activity, and the post page is going to be blog. Save changes, and now when I go to my homepage, the activity page or community page will be shown up as a homepage. If you get the error in the backend like I did, that PeepSo can't locate all required shortcodes, simply click on Review your navigation settings, find the home page in red and change it to front page. Because we changed it to front page, save the settings. This will still remain red, but if you refresh the page, the actual setting will be applied. Let's quickly compare the demo site with our own website and see that notifications over here in header are missing. Let's add them. go to Appearance and then Widgets. Close this. And in header position over here, click on a plus sign and search for user bar. Find the PeepSo user bar widget and update this page. Let's check what we have now. Okay, very nice, right? Not really, you may say, because now we have a doubled navigation and doubled notifications. So don't you worry. Let's remove this entire bar and just use the top one. Okay, to do that, go to PeepSo configuration, appearance, and in general section, disable PeepSo navigation bar. Enable that option, and save the settings. Now refresh the page and it looks much better and cleaner. If we compare our two sites now, we can clearly see that the only thing missing is the sidebars. So you already saw me doing a widget for the header. So let's now do the widgets for the sidebars. To do that, go to your WordPress dashboard, Appearance, Widgets, and then find the sidebar that you want to modify. So let's say sidebar left, click on a plus icon and look for PeepSo. You will find all of the widgets that you can publish in your widget area, like sidebars or above content, under content, bottom, footer. So for the left sidebar, we need this one with the image and notifications, and that's the PeepSo profile widget. So let's find it. Here it is, PeepSo profile. We are gonna leave the title without title, show notifications, show community links, show cover, and update it. Let's see our website right now. Okay, it's starting to shape up. Let's publish something in the right sidebar. We have there community hashtag, community photos, and community media. Let's just do community photos and community media. So that's the sidebar right. Expand it. Search for community photos and community audio and video. Update this page. And now you can see that latest photos and latest media has no photos and no media as we have it here, but that's simply because our site is very new and waiting for the content to be added. Let's see how will that work. Okay, so I want to add photos. Let's say these two. Open, wait for them to be uploaded, and make a post. Now refresh the page and you will see that latest photos have been added into that widget. The same thing we'll do with latest media as well. Let's try with the video. Okay, post type is going to be the video. I'm going to paste the URL to one of our videos, post it, refresh the page, and the latest media will be showing in the widget on the side. Now widgets, they are really powerful. Gecko team has a lot of positions where you can publish your widgets and you can preview them in real time as well. So let's update this page and see how photos and videos are going to look. yeah, you can preview them in real time and you can publish them anywhere you want. And there are a lot of widgets that you can use. So browse all, look for PeepSo, and here are all the widgets that you can use. Let's show online members under the latest media. Okay, update this widget, refresh the page, and it will list all the online members. It's simple as that. If we compare two websites right now, you can obviously see the difference in element sizes. This site is stretched through entire screen, and this one is not. Maybe you'll prefer it this way, maybe you like it this way, but in any case, I'm gonna show you how to control that. To do it, go to the WordPress dashboard, then Gecko Customizer, open the Themes section and find the layout options. Right now, our entire width of the website is in fixed pixel size, but you can change that to 100%, publish it, refresh this page, and now our entire site is stretched through entire screen, similar to this one. But still, our sidebars are much bigger than what is shown here. Scroll a little bit down in the Gecko Customizer, and you can change the gap between the columns, as well as affecting the middle column size. If you increase the middle column size, you'll notice how the sidebars is immediately going to shrink. So let's keep it like this. Publish, refresh this page, and now it looks much better. And finally, let's take care of the branding for our website, because we want to have a logo similarly to the logo over here in the side nav, or if you wish, you can replace this text with a logo. I'm going to show you how to do both things. So in order to do that, go back to the Gecko Customizer. Actually, let's do it from the dashboard so you can follow it easier. Go to Gecko Customizer, Site, and here you can change the logo in the header. So I'm going to select this file to be my logo, use this media, and you will see soon how it immediately changes to this one. I can also set the logo that is going to be used on the mobile phone. Use this media, and this logo will only be used on a mobile phone. Publish it. Now let's check how our site looks like. Okay, much better. We have a big logo. Alternatively, if you want to show the logo in the side nav, you will go to PeepSo Customizer in the site section, then find the logo visibility, disable it on desktop, disable it on mobile, publish the page, and go back to categories. Then go to theme, side nav, and enter the side nav logo. I already have it uploaded, so publish this, refresh the page, and now we have a logo in a side nav, similarly to our demo. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of your website to find another branding, And in order to change that, go to Gecko Customizer, Theme, expand the theme section, scroll down until you find the footer, and you can change that text over here. Publish it, check back your website, and all of it is changed. And this is all I have for you in this crash course about installing and configuring PeepSo and Gecko theme to look like our demo website. If you found this video interesting or informative, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and smash that bell notification to be notified whenever a new video comes out. Don't forget to follow us on social media too. Links will be in the description below. Until the next video, I wish you guys all the best with your websites. Bye!